Hi everyone. Today I wanted to walk you through the assignment called Being President Webquest. And as you know, you've clicked here to get the directions explained via video. So what we have going on with this assignment, you're going to use this website right here that I've hyperlinked to learn about the executive branch position of the President of the United States. All of the information that you need is on the slides you will read through. When you click on this link, you will most likely be prompted to log into your iCivics account. We've used this before to learn about a few things, so make sure you do that. Mine went straight to where I needed to be because I was already logged in. And then I also have a note right here. It says make sure to click on any links on each slide to get more information. So sometimes there's additional information by following a link and you'll need to read that. I have the assignment broken down by slide. And you'll see down here, you have 6 slides to go through, and that is how I have it broken down on your assignment. So for each slide, I might have one question, there might be 2, there might be more, but you'll have your question in the table, and then next to it, you'll put your answer. So you'll just type your answer in the table. Except for number 4, there was only one question for that slide, so it has its own little table all by itself. So you'll read this information in slide 1 right here, not too much to read, right? And then over here, it actually has a link to Article 2 of the Constitution. So this is the actual wording straight from the Constitution. And depending on the question, you might have to use that link. And I would say just by looking at this question right here, how long is the term? Yes, you will have to use this information from Article 2. And then once you've answered those questions, you'll move on to the next article, or I'm sorry, you'll move on to the next slide, which is slide 2, and you'll have one question there. Remember, there's usually some kind of link to follow on these slides, so you'll want to make sure to do that and get all of the information. So I obviously am not asking a lot of questions on this assignment, but I would still like you to read through the information so you have that knowledge. Let me know if you have any questions.